Good morning from Attention to Detail in Tempe. I am doing a beautiful dark blue BMW today, and I'm going to be doing a short video on tire dressings, but I wanted to do one today on leather interior. So we've got, some nice markings, some dark spots, leather's really dirty. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy way on how we can get this leather looking like new. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to vacuum it out, and I'll be back with you shortly. All right, everybody. So the product that I absolutely love for cleaning leather is Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner. pH Balance Superior Cleaner. You'll see a lot of detailers out there using brushes, really fine ones. They're just getting in the crevices, which is great, practical, just getting in there, sudsing it up, it lifts it away, wiper with a microfiber. So I got these from Chemical Guys, soft bristle, horsehair bristle. This one is very soft, it's not the aggressive one. So I'm going to spray on the area, suds it up, and we'll be back. All right. We just did a spray, agitated it, wiped it up with a microfiber, did a spray again, and let's see the difference here. Wow, right? Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner, very easy to use. Any questions? Remember to shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and you have a wonderful day.